Yo, what's going on, guys? I just woke up, got some eye booger action going on, but I actually got to run some stuff, do some stuff today. I got to wash some clothes, all that good stuff. But I don't have a washer, so I got to go to the laundromat.
Hello.
Yeah.
Fat rat. My daddy a gangster.
Well, it snowed some more. That Ohio weather. It's a damn shame. That's my car right there, Black Betty. Like, just stop already. But this is the ghettoest stuff right here. My thing broke, so I found this broom handle thing in the basement. So I just sweep that shit off. That's so ghetto.
And you're stuck right now. Trapped. When you beat the bass, turn it color, stoner. We up standing line, forward, shoes, hurt your teeth.
So I'm actually in Giant Eagle right now, looking for some soap to wash my clothes with. See what I can find. I don't know where this should be at. Oh, found it. Found it. It's all right here. But the good stuff is down at the bottom. Excuse me. Got him. But here I am. I'm going on doing that. Washing some damn clothes. I'm kind of tired actually because I was up all night with my girl. It's like 5 o'clock, so I'm kind of tired. And it is still snowing. Damn, Mother Nature, you scary.
When I shake when I'm stuck in my waist, my girlfriend will beat up the clip if she waits. They better not wear her slip on my
On my way home right now, back to the house, back to the crib, all that good stuff. Sip on a bottle, chill with some models. I was about to rap, but I won't do it. That'll be in another vlog. But yeah, I'm about to go back home right now. Just got done washing my clothes and all that stuff. And my mom called me, and she was like, "Hey, what are you doing?" I'm like, at the laundromat because I don't have a washer. She's like, "Oh well, is it cool if we stop by?" I'm like, "Yeah, that's cool." So my brother and my mom should be on their way in a little bit. So we'll see what they're up to today. So it's been about an hour. I said it's been about an hour. Wait for him to come back. Wait for him.
Did you say about an hour?
What?
Did you say you talking to somebody else?
I'm making a vlog.
You're making a what?
A vlog. So I wouldn't really say recently because it's kind of been a while. Probably with these past 6 months, I've been buying J's. You know what I mean? That's a clean ass J right there. But I just gotta. I like clean ass shoes. You know what I mean? And I don't know where my mom is at. She said she was gonna come over here and cook some spaghetti and meatballs and breadsticks. But where you at? These this dude in the mall talked me into it. But then I saw him a couple weeks ago and he's an asshole. So don't buy shit from him because he's an ass. But I bought the shoe cleaner stuff and it works good. But yeah, he was being a dick to me and my brother. So I ain't get my business anymore, bitch. Man, they need to do some upgrading with this Netflix stuff too, man. Same old stuff. Tell what you're making, Mom.
Spaghetti
What else?
and meatballs, garlic bread. Is the oven on?
I don't know.
I think I turned it on. Is it on?
You should have got a bigger pot.
This is what he gave me. Is there a bigger pot?
That's all we got then. Alright, alright, alright. Okay. Look at that. It looks good, don't it? Yeah. Looks hot. Alright guys. Thank you for watching. You can do a quick thing for me. Just go ahead and press the like button on this video. You know, get my likes up. Get my like game real strong. You know. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Get my like game strong. And you know, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Be breezy.
We got a bunch of homies in Pasadena that we call the PHC every day.